In the vast expanse of the night sky, a dazzling cluster of stars captures the imagination of stargazers across the globe. Known as the Seven Sisters, or the Pleiades, this constellation has inspired myths and stories. In cultures from the ancient Greeks to the Aboriginal Australians today, we delve into the captivating blend of myths and truths surrounding these mystical celestial beings. The Pleiades, a cluster of stars situated in the constellation Taurus, is visible from nearly every inhabited region on our planet. Ancient mariners and farmers relied on its return each year to navigate the seas and plan their crops. But long before these practical uses came into play, the Pleiades were known as the Seven Sisters. This name traces back to Greek mythology, where they were thought to be the daughters of Atlas, the titan condemned to hold up the heavens, and Pleione, a sea nymph. The sisters were said to be incredibly beautiful, pursued relentlessly by the hunter Orion. To protect them, Zeus transformed the sisters into stars, placing them in the night sky where Orion could eternally chase them. Interestingly, Orion, also a prominent constellation, appears nearby in the sky, perpetually pursuing the Seven Sisters. Today, when we look at this star cluster, it becomes a living tapestry of myth, twinkling in silent testimony to the Greek legend moving beyond the stories. The Pleiades have been a source of fascination for many ancient cultures, often perceived as the embodiment of feminine energy. In the mythology of the Indigenous peoples of Australia, the Seven Sisters are intrinsic to a sacred narrative known as the Dreamtime. They personify seven ancestral women pursued across the land by a male figure, reflecting the theme of pursuit found in Greek mythology. This tale not only serves as spiritual belief, but also acts as a celestial calendar, guiding these communities through their seasons. Science, too, reveals its own narrative about the Seven Sisters. The Pleiades star cluster contains more than 1,000 stars, although only 7 are typically visible to the naked eye. This dazzling cluster is located about 440 light-years from Earth, making it relatively close in astronomical terms. Through the lens of a telescope, these stars are a spectacular sight, bound together by mutual gravity and sharing a common origin in a nebula. Millions of years ago, recent studies of the cluster provide insights into star formation. The Pleiades are relatively young, just over 100 million years old, making them newcomers in the cosmos. Their bright stars burn hot and blue, a signature characteristic of young massive stars still enveloped in the gas and dust from which they formed. This makes them a perfect subject of study for astronomers seeking to understand the life cycle of stars. However, not all mysteries have been unveiled. One compelling question that remains is the famous anomaly of the so-called lost Pleiad. Numerous cultures insist there are 7 prominent stars, yet many observers can only discern 6. This absence within mythological contexts has borne countless explanations and stories, each more entrancing than the last. In conclusion, the Seven Sisters transcend their existence as mere points of light in the sky. They bridge the realms of science and myth, uniting us in a shared human experience spanning centuries. Whether as a guiding star to ancient societies or an astronomical wonder in modern times, the Pleiades continue to capture our imagination. They remain a testament to the intriguing relationship between humans and the heavens, forever intertwining celestial facts with the myths that strive to interpret them.